This is called Jwara Hara Soppu in Kannada. That is, Jwara means fever and Hara means destroyer. So, it's a destroyer of fever. And then it's called, botanical name is some febrifugium is there. That I'll write the correct name on the title. Now, this one had done numerous videos of this plant in its natural habitats and all. It's not that rare or anything, but uncelebrated. Nobody grows it in their gardens. It occurs by itself in farm edges, roadsides, less traveled roadsides and all, in moist places. And it's a very beautiful plant. And then why I did this video is to show the seeds. This is the seed, if I am not mistaken. Or flower bud, I think it's a seed only. Yeah, seed. So, small spiky seed. And it is a shade lover. So, in full shade also you can plant it. It does quite well. And in fact it likes shade, but moist also. So, in a shady location, like balcony and all, it should do well logically. It has quite a deep tap root and it's long lived. It will live for 10 years, 20 years and all if you have one good plant. And quite a long flowering season is there, and flowers are very pretty. So my goal is to take up multiplication from the seeds. And it has performed well in Bangalore. I got a couple of plants over here, trying out in our organic and biodiversity garden. And it is looking quite nice. And we planted it under the teak tree. ತಂದ್ಯಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು ಮನೆಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಿ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಸೆಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಗಳಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಷ್ಟೇ ಪವರ್ ಇರೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.